Hey makers, it's Laura from OpenWorks. Today we're going to show you the different steps that we use to make the face shields, from 3D printing to laser cutting, assembly, and boxing out. Enjoy!
Hello, my name is Zach. I'm a 3D printing technician for OpenWorks and Makers Unite. We are 3D printing headband parts, which has two different parts. And as you can see, if we go back to the 3D printer right here, you can see that we are printing a headband, which is the top part, and the bottom reinforcement. It prints like a thin bead of plastic, similar to a hot glue gun, layer by layer. So it puts down one layer and then it goes up 1 unit of measure and then does another layer of plastic, and that's how we build up. So if we go back over here, back to the 3D printer, you can see that we have multiple bottom parts, and actually above this headband, we're going to start stacking them. So stacking the headbands on top of each other in different ways. So anyways, we like to communicate a file from the computer with an SD card, and we just put that at the bottom of the machine, and then it processes the file, and then you walk away for 24 hours, come back, and then you get some really beautiful headbands. And as you can see, this is just that one part. And we also have the reinforcement part right here. We need both in order to complete the mask, or the face shield. And we're basically asking everybody to, help us out. So if you get some good results, send them our way.
Hi, I'm Ben. What we're doing here in the digital fabrication shop regarding the face shields is we're cutting the visors that go in the front. This is made out of PETG plastic. That is a more chemically stable plastic than other types of plastic, as one of the sort of medically inclined aspects of the whole design. So we're putting in full sheets that are about 3 feet by 4 feet, the maximum size of each of the beds of our larger laser cutters here. We can get a total of 15 individual visors off of one sheet, and we're hopefully going to get around 500 per day. And that's it. So laser cutting is a form of computer numerical control technology. It is as though this machine was playing connect the dots with a drawing. There is a drawing up on the computer that is now loaded into the machine itself. It has a collection of coordinate information. And what the laser is essentially doing is it is going and following each of those coordinates while shooting a laser beam at a specific power and speed. And that power and speed is going to be cutting through at certain portions of this plastic as it moves around. And at the end of it, we're going to get 15 visors off of it. Off. I took off one layer of the plastic. There's another layer of plastic on the back to prevent scratching from happening. Each of these holes on the top snaps around tabs on the front of the face shield, like this. And these bottom pieces have a similarly matching bottom piece that is also 3D printed to hold the shield like this in front of your face. And this is the laser cut part of the 3D printed laser cut face shield that we're making for medical professionals.
Hey everyone, my name is Tirsa. I'm the office manager here at OpenWorks. So right now I'm actually constructing the face shield. So Ben laser cut the shields, and we have folks bringing in donations of the R2, RC2 3D printed prints. So basically, I'm just going to snap the top piece together, and then I'm going to attach the bottom piece. Make sure everything is nice and snug and fits. Quick tap, and then attach the elastic headband for the final product. Thanks.
So after we get the masks done, here we gotta blow all the dust and debris off of them to make sure they're clean. After that, we put them in a bag to protect the face shield. And then they get stuffed in a box such as this. Usually 15 at a time. Sometimes we're doing bigger orders to accommodate much larger orders. Once they're in a box, they get stacked over there and they get wait to be picked up.
Great, thank you so much for joining us. I hope this gave you a little insight into our process. We're hoping to make on a minimum about 500 a day. Today we're going for 750, but we're trying to produce as much as possible so we can get these shields out to folks. Thank you so much. Makers Unite, everybody.